现在还出去啊？可以出去。你说你几号返校呀？你就一整年都没有出去，就待在我现在上海的这个家里。然后我整天在窗户里看到的就是对面一栋很高很高的楼，我是在坐牢吧。
My home, when you come in, it's where I am the most creative, it's where I feel most cozy, and it's been such a relief for my mental well-being.
工作和生活的这个界限完全就模糊了，就你不知道自己是在工作还是在娱乐还是在休息。正常情况下的话，可能是会更多的出去吧，就是只把家当做一个睡觉的地方。
Lockdown was a bit of a learning curve.
With all the extra time that I got, I was able to start sewing more. Now I feel like I'm really doing the things that I love doing every day.
That was the beginning of where I really felt me coming into myself.